In this video, we're going to look at how to find or retrieve a file that you may have lost. So to do this, you will need to know at least part of the file name or a little bit of information about the file. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to my Windows Start button and I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to choose Search. So now, if you have saved the file on your computer and you're not sure where it is, what you'll want to do is look in when you do a search and just choose My Computer so it searches the entire computer. Now up here you have all or part of the file name. Now let's say I know that my file name that I saved somewhere on my computer started with the word lost. It was actually named lost file. So now what I'll do is I'll click on search, and what the computer will do, or what Windows will do, is it will start searching the computer for every file that contains the word lost. So we'll just give that a moment to locate the file. Okay, already it's found it. And I'm going to go ahead and stop the search. So what it did was it started looking on the C drive, and in this case I had actually saved it to the C drive, and we could see that it found the lost file .bbcd. So now the same is true when you have any other kind of file. Let's say that we save this as, I'm just going to save it, say in my documents, and I'm going to go ahead and call it lost, and we're going to save it as a DXF file. And we'll hit save. And say we close it out, and for some reason we start working with another file. Now if you can no longer locate this file when you go to open and you're not sure where it is, you could always use that search. Again, you just come down to your start button, right click, go to search, and you have to at least know some information about the file name. You can choose My Computer, or if you know its location a little bit better, you could be more specific, like saying search in My Documents. And let's say we know it's a DXF file, but we don't know the file name. So what we can do is we can choose the star, which will mean all .dxf. And what that will do is it will make it search for all DXF files. The star is a wildcard. So now we'll see it's searching for all the DXF files that are in My Documents. So if we scroll through, eventually we're going to find it. We can also sort this by date or size, so if we know a little bit more information about the file, the better that we'll be able to find it. And there it is. There's my lost.dxf file. So now I can go ahead and copy and paste it, or I can save the file to a new location, or now that I know that it's in My Documents, I'll be able to come up here to File, Open, go to My Documents, and then find the lost.dxf. Let's choose DXF files, or all files, and there it is. So you can see by using find or search, you'll be able to find any drawings that you may have lost on your computer or misplaced.